Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you four important tips or four important strategies of digital marketing. How you can leverage digital marketing for your brand and do your branding and promote your products and services so that you can engage your customers within a high level. So how you can do that? So digital marketing is very booming industry, and you can easily promote and you can easily grow your business or grow your industry through digital marketing, promoting your product and engaging with your customers. Who will be your customers? The customer who are looking to your product or searching for your product. Maybe you need to think, who are my customers? Then there will be a four strategy you need to think before starting digital marketing or implementing digital marketing to transform your brand from lower level to higher level. So let's get started. So guys, please subscribe and follow my page so that you can get updated news and updated videos on time, and press the bell icon. This is Mohammed Faimalam from Learning Brain, and we have a digital marketing agency which name is Billion Traffic, where you can get unlimited traffic from SEO and digital marketing tools. So guys, let's get started. So now the most important tips, number one is goal. Set your goal. What will be your goal? Your goal, you need to analyze that what is your product, what is your product and what are your businesses all about. You need to think that which business you are taking care of. If you are if you are taking care of your business which is related to e-commerce product or which is related to online softwares or anything else, you need to see that what are your goals, what do you want from your customers. If you want customer to visit to your site and check out, or if you want a customer to submit a form so that you can get unlimited leads. So the most important thing is goal. You need to set your goal. What will be your goal which you want to achieve for your business growth. So how you can do that? You need to first you need to take the means first you need to analyze that what is your business is all about, what will be your business, how you can help your customer through your business. And number one is, there are in goal there are 4 points. Number one is business strategy. Number two is product strategy. Number three is customer strategy, and number four is marketing strategy. What is business strategy? Business strategy means that you are like to implement your business themes and all so that it can help customers, and engage so that the customer can get to know about your business and about your product. Number two is product strategy. What is product strategy? Product strategy means how your product will help full to your customer and how they will search for your type of product. If you are if a person is searching for shoes, then what will he typing in the Google? If he will type that online online shoes from Amazon, shoes from Walmart. So this will be his mindset, how he will how he will create a key phrase and put it in the search bar so that he can get the result from Google. So that's the second point. Number third point is customer strategy. Who are your customers? What is your customer thinking about your product? How they will get to know about your business, about your brand and about your product, and how they will connect with your brand, and how it will help them to solve the problem, and it will help your problem for selling your product to them. Means how you are going to promote, and in what way, in which what are the strategies you are going to use so that you can send your you can promote your product to those customers who are likely to interested in your product services, or who is thinking or who is searching about your product in Google, and what are the things they are searching in social media, how they are talking about your product in social media. These are the product strategies which you are going to think. Number 4 is marketing strategy. What are the marketing strategies and what are the marketing means the tools or what are the marketing tricks you are going to use to promote your product and to share your product and show your product to those customers who are all means who are already been visited to your site or who are been looking for your type of product or who has already been seen your paid ad which you paid or which you run your campaign previous time. So these are the things which you are going to see. And number 2, the second thing is you are going to select your platform, in which platform you are going to market your product, in Google, in social media, if through content marketing, through messenger, through anything else which will help your customer to get your product and which help your customer to get to know about your product and about your services and they visit your website. Number 3 is you need to create your customer persona. What is customer persona? Customer persona mean you are going to create a blueprint of your customer psychology, customer behavior, and about your customer interest. What is your customer thinking? What are their customer demographic? What are the customer, if your customer what they are thinking, how do you can target your customer? So you need to think about your customer strategies in this thing. You need to create your customer persona, customer personal psychology, so that it will help you to think that what your customer are thinking about your product and how you can reach to them and how they can get about your product and services and they visit your website and do some action and which result in give you a conversion. This is number 3. Number 4 is you need to brand your product. How you can brand your product? Through promoting, through telling about your product in a good and very concise way, so that it will clear in your customer mind and so that they can easily get your product, they can easily get to you in any way, in online also and in offline also. So you need to think how you can promote and how you can brand your product and business so that the engaging rate should be high, get higher and higher, and it will easy for your customer to get about your to know about your product, that what are you selling and what are you pitching, because pitching is the most important thing. You need to be concise of, so you need to be concise, you need to be crystal clear so that your customer can understand what you are going to do and what you are doing so that it can help their problem. If customer think that you are the only one who is solving your customer problem, then the customer will get interact and will get in touch with you and visit your site or call you or also visit you in physical shop and get the thing done and you can get the conversion. So these are the basic and beginner strategy you need to implement before going through your digital marketing, for your implement your digital marketing strategy into your business for your growth and for your business growth and for your the conversion or lead generation. So these are the things you need to follow on. So before using or implementing your digital marketing skills or digital marketing strategy, so you need to fill out these are the, you need to analyze these are the thing and you need to take a look in these are the 4 points, and there are many other points which will I will discuss in the next video. So have a great day and good luck, and follow my page and subscribe to my channel Learning Brain. Thank you.